Hey guys. All right, so we're going to take a look at how to do some keyword research. So let's say, for example, you've given from a client, or that you need to do some research on replacement windows that this company sells or helps with solving the problem replacing windows. So the first thing you would do is that you approach it from a customer point of view. So if I'm a customer and I'm going on Google, what would I search to find a company that sells or does replacement windows? So I kind of go to my notepad, or in this case, Sublime Text is what I'm using, and I start just jotting down whatever comes through mind. So I'd say replacement windows, um, you know, Windows replacement, um, replacement window installation. And I would also try and search replace windows, replace windows, just for. Okay, let's just say I'll start with that just as my base and see what happens. So the next step is I just kind of grab all these words, phrases, and I would go into keyword keywords everywhere tool. So what I did there is I just clicked on it and went to bulk upload keywords. I'm in this screen now, and this is assuming you've set it up properly. So you've installed it and you have your API already kind of set up. So then you paste that in, and then what you're essentially going to do is get search volume. So just to make sure that we aren't Canadian, for this particular exercise, we're looking at Canadian search volumes. This is where the Canadian one would be. This is where the global would be. And what you're trying to look for is a few things. So search volume is usually the first indicator to see how much of a demand there is for that search word. The other part is CPC, or cost per click. So do we have, are lots of people bidding on it? Is there a lot of competition? Is there no competition at all? Or is there some? And you kind of take that as an indicator of how hot kind of the keyword is, if you want to describe it that way. The other part is competition, and that will tell you more of a story of how competitive the keyword is. So right off the bat, we see that Windows replacements are pretty much the same. So we can tell that this is a highly searched keyword and highly competitive keyword. Replacement window installation has nothing, so we know that that's a throwaway keyword. Replace Windows, a lot less search volume, still kind of high competition, but that's kind of where you start with is what kind of competition are you seeing, what kind of cost per click are you seeing, and the search volume. And the steps we'll kind of go afterwards in the next video is, vetting the information and finding other keywords, because obviously this doesn't mean these are all the perfect keywords we can find around it. We've just kind of started with a first step. Cool. Hope this is helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.